Program your mind for success. Think of something that you want to succeed at and be really good at. If it's safe to do so, close your eyes. Now, imagine a cinema screen in front of you, and on that cinema screen, see the successful you, the you achieving at this activity that you want to succeed at. Look at the way you move and your posture, the expression on your face, the light behind your eyes, the way you connect with other people, the way that you do this activity successfully, everything about you that exudes success. And then float over and into that more successful you and see through the eyes of your successful self. Hear your internal dialogue saying, I can do it. And feel how good you feel. And notice where you feel the good feelings strongest of all, and give them a color, and move that color up through your body into your neck. That's right. That color moves now into your head and down through your shoulders into your arms and hands and fingers. That's it, all the way down through your chest into your legs and to the tips of your toes, and double the brightness and double it again. That's right. And keep going through, imagining this activity and succeeding at it. Do it again and again until you fully encode it into every fiber of your being. And then when you're ready, open your eyes and come on back out.